Hello everyone, welcome to GenX Parenting. Today's vlog is dedicated to all the teachers because we at GenX Parenting believe that just like parents, teachers have huge role to play in shaping up children. Pandemic was an interruption to this process, but as soon as offline schooling started, all the parents were like, now things will be all right soon. Are they all right? The answer is no, not for all. It's been over 4 months since the physical school has started, and students are still in the recovering phase. Teachers are trying hard to deal with the behavioral challenges, with the disciplinary issues with children. And hence, on the occasion of Teachers' Day, we thought of sharing 4 key learnings that I gathered from a workshop that was conducted for 50 teachers from 22 different schools from different strata of the society. Now, the third learning from these 4 key learning is my personal favorite. And as I have seen the corporate life for past 11 years, I believe it is the most important one from the long-term perspective. So do watch this video till the end. And if you really like these suggestions, don't forget to subscribe to GenX Parenting and help us reach to the count of 300 subscribers very fast. And the whole idea behind this vlog is to support teachers to manage post-pandemic behavioral challenges observed amongst children. Now, the first learning was setting ground rules together. This innovative idea was shared by a principal of a school which was meant for underprivileged children. They were having a lot of disciplinary issues amongst children, and teachers were really fed up of screaming and yelling. And hence they thought, let us do it in a little creative manner. Apart from the basic school rules, principal allowed teachers to set some ground rules with the help of the respective classes' children. And now each classroom has a set of ground rules designed by the students themselves. They have only decided the punishments, and this has led to better adherence. Interesting, Anna? Give it a try. Second suggestion, don't make too many changes. This idea was shared by a Dubai-based Montessori teacher. She said it that children were already going through a lot of changes. 2 years they were at home in a very comfortable environment, and now they're out of home for 4 to 5 hours, navigating all by themselves. And in such situations, making too many changes, different classrooms, different teachers, different sitting partners, becomes a lot for them to accept. And hence, they decided that they will not change the environment too much. They kept the teachers consistent for first 15 to 20 days. They kept the sitting arrangement standard for initial period, and that helped them calm down kids to a great extent. I'm sure it's been quite some time since the schools have opened up. But if you observe that some kid is getting restless or refusing to accept changes, try to keep the environment consistent for the child. Do not change the sitting arrangement for the child too much. Do not change his sitting partner, and that might help that child to calm himself and focus better on studies. And now my favorite third one. This was the recommendation by the faculty who was handling that workshop. Teachers mentioned that just to make the school time fun or just to comfort the kids, we had organized for some competitions. But we observed that in competitions, when somebody loses or not able to perform, that child gets into a complete shell mode. What do we do then? And the beautiful suggestion given by the faculty was, why to organize competition? Why not create collaborative activities? Because collaboration teaches you to create a win-win situation. collaboration leads to accommodation, acceptance of the strengths and weaknesses of all the partners in the team. I really found this concept very beautiful because even as a corporate person, collaboration is something more tough than getting into the competitive or sometimes over competitive mode. Collaboration doesn't have any comparison, it is win win. So, if you feel that you want to engage children, you want to make school time fun for them, give some collaborative activities like a group project and make them present in the school itself. Because when they take it home, you know who works on the project. And now, last but not the least, school is important for a child, not only from the academic perspective, but it is a place to learn the socio-economic skills. And hence, today's teachers have to be a step above in terms of the emotional intelligence along with the academic excellence. This emotional intelligence will help you to understand your children better and deal with the issues like anxiety, depression, relationship challenges, which are very common in teenage children now, addiction issues in a much more skillful manner, and will also make you mindful about balancing between your own professional life and personal life. I hope these 4 suggestions were helpful to you. If you really like them, try to implement them in your school also, and do share it with the fellow colleagues. For more such informative videos, don't forget to subscribe to GenX Parenting. Thank you so much.